Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome. I am Felix. Just want to show you how to trade with AI. We have an AI scanner that's going to help you to trade profitably. And generally speaking, how to trade. Either you're a beginner, it doesn't matter what your experience in trading, how long you have been trading, it doesn't matter. This AI scanner is going to help you to trade profitably. You hear me right? This AI scanner is going to help you to trade profitably. Either you are trading synthetic, you are trading crypto, you are trading stock, you are trading gold, irrespective of the instrument you are trading, our AI scanner got your back to trade profitably. Are you hearing me now? So you are ready to go with us, and then we're going to be taking you through on how to trade profitably using our AI scanner as simple as possible. So I'm going to be taking any instrument and I will show you the interface of our AI scanner and how you use it to trade. Now, but first of all, I'll give you guys idea of trading, okay? Because those of us who are learner and beginners who don't know how to trade, definitely, even when we give us tool, we will struggle with those understanding. But good thing is that we teach you how to trade. We still teach you formal trading. Then we still teach you how to use the scanner to trade. I hope it makes sense. So once you subscribe, we're going to show you how to trade. We'll still teach you how to use the scanner and all of that. Just want to show you demonstration. Last week, this is how we took this scanner to trade and make a lot of money, right? So we just want to show you how we use the scanner to trade. We'll just demonstrate for you, right? Now, one of the lovely things is that this scanner is available on your TradingView, and your TradingView, either you have a laptop or not, you can register on TradingView and download the app on your mobile phone, either your Android or your iOS and all of that. Okay, so let's quickly go. I'm going to share the scanner with you and then show you the content or the component of this scanner. So a lot of us have been struggling in trading without knowing that solutions are very much available. We have this not only one segment of this scanner, but this is the simplest and the most accessible one. But we have another one that have multiple layers. This multiple layer is more stressful because you need to subscribe. For you to use this multiple layer scanner, you need to do a subscription to TradingView because it's multiple layer. It's not only one set of indicator that combine them. So you need multiple. You need at least even basic subscription is going to be necessary for you. But the general use one is what I'm going to show to you, and it's very simple. Now let's quickly go. We understand one thing about market. Market has, when you are trading and you look at the structure of the market, you're going to give yourself a lot of stress, okay? Now, our scanner, two components of this scanner is that it has several components. The first component of this scanner is that it has what we call key levels, all right? And key levels, you can refer to key levels as support and resistance, demand and supply, grid levels, all of those things, they are key levels. That is reaction point, or reaction area. Those are key levels, all right? You can see that the way the market reacting to different key levels. This is gold, all right? And I'm still going to show you currencies and all of that, okay? Now, these are key levels where market reacts to. The next thing that this scanner had is called structure, all right? So take note of this. Number one, we call key levels. The simplest trading style is where you're able to look at the market from one point to another, either at a difficult level and at a supporting level. So you call it support and resistance. So key levels are very important. I know a lot of people will tell you that, up to now you are still trading support and resistance. No trading style you are trading that support and resistance is not there. Don't let them lie to you. They tell you a lot of things. You are not learning trade to prove. You are learning trade to make money. As much as you can get a simplified strategy and pattern that is giving you money, and pattern that you must work with, a pattern that are repeatable. If it's repeating itself again and again, then that's what you need to make money. You get that? So this is our scanner. You can see plain. We don't want confusion. We just want straight to the point where you can see with clarity. Can you see now? Very neat and clear. No struggle and all of that. So what's going to give you problem not to make money with a scanner is your impatience. All right? It's your impatience that's going to give you trouble not to make money with our scanner. So quickly, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go. So, okay, so now this is gold, for instance. Okay, so this is gold, and I want to trade with gold. Now, we say, so this, it has key levels, it has structure, right? And it has entry and exit. Then it has moving average. Okay, so you can see this moving average just to support and help you to trade. So first thing is, where should I enter from and where should I sell to? At what price should I sell? At what price should I buy? Because the scanner gives you buy and sell. So how do I actually take this trade? Normally, when you are trading, there are things you want to know. Is the market an uptrend or a downtrend? But as a point market get to, it confuses you now. You can look at this market now. You ask me, Felix, what is the trend of this market? You may be confused because you don't know. But if you look at it logically, you can see it's an uptrend. Why? Because the scanner itself will give you the market. Look at it. This is a high by this market. Look at it. Okay, this is high and this is a low. Okay, this is a low, this is a swing point. So that means there's a break of structure. Sorry, those of you are beginners, you're going to learn when you subscribe for the scanner, you come into our ecosystem, you have free education to understand all of those jargon. Okay, now this is a swing low, this is a swing high. It created another internal swing here. So, but eventually this got broken. That means this is a swing, this is a high. Okay, so if this is a high, this is a high. So what you want again is for another break. Okay, this is it. Can you see that? So what you want again is another break. So that means when you are looking at it, we take what we call Fibonacci retracement from here to here to see where the market will come down to. Actually, the market came down here, which I should find a trade. Now, in trading, write it down. I've taught you, those of you on one of our platform, there are 3 things that matters in trading. So write it down. And there are questions. If you cannot answer this question in trading, don't trade. Where? Right? Where? Second one is why? And third one is when? If you cannot answer these 3 questions, where is that waiting place? Right? Waiting place, okay? Now, you know, if rail, you want to enter metro, right? So if you want to enter metro, that rail, will you just wait because by the road, by the railway? No, you are going to go to the rail station. So that is where to wait and buy or where to wait and sell. It's called event, all right? There should be event, a context. Now, second is why. Okay, why will I enter? Okay, so that you are now saying reasons or factors. Reason or what? Factors that will make me to enter. So this we can refer to it as a trigger. This one is the waiting area, or in smart money, we call it footprint, institutional footprint. So they call it, some call it point of interest. We call it in PBX, we call it area of focus. It's an area, it's a region, not a point, it's a region. So it has a wider coverage. So it's a coverage, it's beyond just saying a point. It's not a point. So now when it comes there, what should be factor that I should look out for to be appropriate place of entry? Then third is now when. When is that? What should I look out for to now pull the trigger? So when has to do with what called precision of entry, right? This is where to wait for entry. Why? What should be the factor I should look for that, okay, this is a place that I know to, so you can refer to those points at point of interest now, and then precision, entry point, now to enter. What should I look at to enter? We call it entry model or whatever thing you call it. So, but all of this one and this one. So now check this now. Quickly check this. So fortunately, I'm teaching now, right? So quickly check it. This is higher time frame. What? ATF. So this one too can still be higher time frame or MTF. Then this is what? Lower time frame, LTF. Okay? So can you see now? So this can be 4 hours, 1 hour. This can be 1 hour and 30 minutes. This can be 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes to 1 minute. Do you understand? So that's how the trading is. So now let's go. Now, so if you look at the market here, market broke structure here. Now you actually expect the market to continue going down. By the way, when it's continuing to go down, that means ordinarily you are supposed to be waiting for the market somewhere here, okay, or any region here. So, but at the end of the day, the market broke. That means a shift in market structure. Now, that means this become a swing low and this one swing high. So that's why we use what we call Fibonacci retracement. So taking Fibonacci retracement is to now, it's a tool we use to mark where. So if you look at my Fibonacci retracement, I drew from here because, and as the market have changed. So I'm saying the market is going up, right? So that means if the market is going up because it has broken this place, then there's a need for me to wait. So waiting environment is called where. So write it down. Waiting environment is called where in trading. If you cannot answer this question in your trading career, you are joking. Can you sit down? So waiting environment is called where. And in trading, waiting environment are in two types. If you are looking for a buy, waiting environment is below the equilibrium. What do you mean by equilibrium? Half, 50%. So anything below 50% is your waiting environment, okay? Then, if that is the case, waiting environment as below equilibrium, because it is said to be that if I'm looking for a buy, as a customer, as a buyer, every buyer want to buy cheaper. So that's why you have to wait for it at a discount. That's why below equilibrium point. You get that now? You know, like in demand and supply curve and all of that. So you have like equilibrium, price, and all of that. So I hope you understand. So if that is the case, so that means I need to wait for this market to come down here. That was why you mark this. So even without my scanner, I will still wait for the market there. Can you see that? Even without my scanner, I will still wait for the market there. So there are other things now inside my waiting period. So let me take out this one. Inside my waiting period, now I'm looking for, so inside my waiting periods, you can now check what we call institutional footprint. First institutional footprint I'm seeing here is what we call fair value gap. Look at it here. So this is a fair value gap. But this fair value gap is falling into both premium and discount. So how powerful will it be? Then the other thing you now have below it is called another block. So we have other block, all right? So since we have another block here, so the whole point here is what we call order flow. This one like this, down to this place like this, then take it this way, it's another flow. So smart money concept has helped you like this. So let's return our scanner. Now look at the job scanner help you to do. Oh, scanner, oh, where don't know, and all of that. As at the time the market came here, I bought. I took the trade, all right? I bought, I sold here, I bought here. But for me to sell, for me to buy, to see the signal, I went down to 30 minutes. That was where the signal came out. So when the signal is in 30 minutes, what I do is to mark it and go to lower time frame, meaning that I've waited for the market to come down to this region and I go to what? Lower time frame for when. So this is where, why? Why is this is a region that is a discount level. That is why I'm waiting for it there. Now, when is that I go to lower time frame to see my scanner present a buy opportunity for me, and the buy should be valid. Now, this is valid. Then I can still go down to 3 minutes, probably to see a more refined entry. Now, this is when I'm supposed to enter. When are you supposed to enter? Then when the signal give us this. Now, the signal, we say 3 candle close. The 3 candle close for the signal is very simple. We have this candle, we have the signal candle, and we have the third candle that close above this. That is when I should enter. So when has to do with precision. Now, when I put this word, then where should I put my stop loss? Below this candle. So that means my stop loss is going to be below this center candle that pushes down of the market. Then when should I take profit? Number one rule of my take profit is 1:2 risk reward. That's number one rule of my taking profit. Now, when I've taken, sometimes you can go to 1 minute. 1 minute may give you more refined entry point. Okay, so let's look at it if we are going to find that. Okay, yes, 1 minute to did. Look at it here. Yeah, no, here. So, okay, nevertheless, let's not bother. So 3 minutes was okay. So the next I would do is that I probably, so the market again came down here. You don't need to be afraid. You have put your stop loss. When it comes down here and give another entry, you can find another entry. If the market activities, the way it give that, you can find another entry. Are you hearing me now? So this learning is very, 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 very important so that you can maximize profit. Okay? Where is it? Okay. Okay. So now that's 1:2 risk reward. Now, when you have taken the trade, there is something we do. When we go to higher time frame, we prime this. What do you prime here? So when we go to higher time frame, we prime him like this. So we check where is the next resistance. So the next resistance is up here. You can drag it up here. This is 500 pips. And how much is the stop loss pips? 68 pips. Then you go back to 15 minutes till you go back to the time frame itself, which is the 30 minutes that give the signal. So on that 30 minutes, that means you're going to stretch up here. Then let's go back. Look at the 30 minutes. So you can see, right? Now we have stretched up here. Now stretching up here has given you 820 pips. Now that is, I'm stretching to the resistance. Now, when should I again exit? When it give another counter signal. A counter signal was sent here on 30 minutes, even on 1 hour. Look at what happened. The same thing you did when the signal was given in your 30 minutes. Go to the 1 hour. Then you go back to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and see if the signal to sell was going to be powerful. This is a very powerful one. And then you have sold. If you go to 3 minutes, is this going to be a proper refine? This was not a refined one. Let's go to 1 minute. This is what to do. It's very simple. No small stress, no trying to overanalyze the market. So that means the 5 minutes was so perfect and all of that. I love to have a very perfect signal. All right. So, right? A plus. Let's not call it perfect. Let's call it an A plus signal. So that means, where should I sell now? I'm selling like this. To take this here. And then my stop loss above here. This is 250 pips. 1:2 risk reward, perhaps. Okay. So 1:2 risk reward. Then I drag it. 1:2 risk reward will have been done here that last week. Yours truly, somewhere here, is already done. Sometime, even before then, you have taken some profit. This is how you use our scanner. It's simple, no struggle, no stress. It's straightforward, straight to the point. Follow the rule. You are in good money. All right? You want to subscribe for the scanner? Go to the comment section, chat with the phone number +234 90 470 998. I'll take the number again, +234 90 998. The number is going to be on the comment section there. Chat with that number. Ask on what does it take. What it take is just $200. But those of you who have signed up with us on WellTrade, all right, so we have given you a discount because you sign up with our broker. So if you sign up with the broker we are using, then you have some access to test run using it for 1 month or depending on what you do. If you want to know what it takes to have that promo discount, then you chat with that phone number and let's write together. So thank you very much. You have a nice time. This is Felix. This is how we help people to maximize profits and build wealth. Thank you very much and do have a nice time. Bye for now.